All right, Jim, we have some news that has come in. This is being reported on pwinsider.com.
Oh, I shudder wait a minute, hold on. What's happened now?
What a glamorous entrance there, but Mike Johnson reporting, Stephen De La Roche, the attorney representing WWE Hall of Famer Tammy Sytch in her criminal proceedings regarding her DUI manslaughter charges in Florida, filed a motion asking the court's permission to withdraw as her legal representation on June 16th, citing an impasse has been reached in the handling of the case, making it impossible for the client and attorney to continue to work cooperatively on the case. The client has not complied with the terms of the employment agreement with this attorney. The client will not be prejudiced if the undersigned is permitted to withdraw. The court
now, hold on. What does that mean?
That means it won't hurt Tammy if this guy withdraws and she has to get another attorney.
It won't hurt the case. Nobody knows that her attorney has already said, fuck it, I can't do anything with this, I quit.
The court has yet to approve or deny De La Roche's request. Sytch has been incarcerated for 39 days and counting while awaiting trial, which is yet to be officially scheduled.
Oh boy, well, I can see she's as easy to work with as she's always been. So now her lawyer says, fuck it, I quit. And this is not exactly a position you want to be in this situation, where you have one lawyer that's supposed to be on your side and he quits. Failing to uphold the employment contract sounds like I didn't get a check, but failure to be able to work cooperatively on this case sounds like that Tammy is telling him how to defend her based on what she believes in her head, I guess, that people will actually buy into. And the seizure story, I don't think is going to fucking fly, that she had on Twitter, or I was only going 10 miles an hour, or any of the other things that she said over the past however many years when she gets herself in these goddamn predicaments and just lies out of them or tries to. And here we go again.
It's going to be really difficult to find an attorney that goes for what I'm going to assume is going to be a scorched earth policy. That's the thing. You could say you want to do all these things and you want to fight it all these ways. You're going to actually have to find an attorney that will do that with you.
Well, and also, again, from the statements that she's made publicly, which she shouldn't have done to begin with, she's kind of boxed her defense into a corner, because then if she comes out with another story besides what she said on Twitter or wherever it was, then the opposing counsel, as they say, are going, well, why did you say this on such and such date? If your story now is you were at a convention, the Sons of the Desert, again, we saw testimony, the January 6th commission hearings. Nobody wanted to represent Trump because they didn't want to go down with the ship. They didn't want to lie and lose their legal licenses like Rudy Giuliani. Yeah. Rudy's older brother, Ronnie.
Yes. Jack Pfeffer presents Mayor Ronnie Giuliani.
Rudy Giuliani got disbarred because he was lying for pig shit. And when you go into court and you're a licensed attorney, you can't just say complete bullshit. If it's provable, it's bullshit. And so it's the same thing. Now, your lawyers quit because they don't want to get this on them. And she's going to have a hard time finding anybody competent that will do whatever it is she wants them to do, which probably is not conducive to finding out the truth of the matter.